Jato Dynamics India has released data on electric passenger vehicles sold during April 2021. According to the data, the total electric vehicle sales last month stood at 749 units, and it was the Tata Nexon EV leading the charge with 525 units sold in April. The other electric cars sold included the MG ZS EV, Tata Tigor EV and the Hyundai Kona Electric. Coming in second on the list was the MG ZS EV that contributed 156 units to total sales, while 56 units of the Tata Tigor EV were sold last month. Hyundai managed to sell only 12 units of the Kona Electric in April this year. The data also shows that Tata Motors holds the majority share of 77% in the electric passenger vehicle segment with the Nexon and the Tigor EVs. The Mercedes-Benz EQC and the Jaguar I-Pace electric cars were not part of the sales report. The Ford F-150 Lightning electric pickup has been officially revealed. The new offering is the electrified version of the popular F-150 pickup truck and will go on sale in the US first. The new F-150 Lightning gets notable visual upgrades over the standard version with a new grille and wide LED daytime running lights dominating the front. Ford says that the pickup will come with about 563 brake horsepower and 1050 Nm of peak torque on the extended range version. It will also be quick with 0 to 100 km per hour coming up in just 4 seconds. The model will also come with Sync 4 infotainment system, a new digital instrument cluster, among a host of other creature comforts. Ford claims a range of 483 km on a single charge on the F-150 Lightning. Nissan India has rolled out benefits of up to 75,000 rupees on the Kicks SUV. The benefits include a cash discount of 20,000 rupees in addition to an exchange bonus of up to 50,000 rupees and even an additional discount of up to 5,000 rupees. The additional benefit, however, will only be applicable for government employees or those with a CIBIL score greater than 700 points. The offer is available until May 31, 2021 and will vary depending on the dealership. Ducati has taken the wraps of the 2022 Hypermotard 950 range, and the motorcycle now meets Euro 5 emission regulations. The new Hypermotard 950 is offered in 3 trims: Standard, SP and RVE. The new Hypermotard range continues to draw power from the 937cc Tesla Stretta 11 degree L-twin engine that develops 112 brake horsepower and 96 Nm of peak torque. The engine is paired to a 6-speed gearbox. The Hypermotard 950 SP variant gets a new livery and also comes with top-shelf components like the 48mm Öhlins USD front forks and an Öhlins monoshock at the rear. The bike gets lightweight Marchesini wheels wrapped in Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa rubber. The new Ducati Hypermotard 950 is likely to arrive in India sometime next year.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.